Hi everyone, how it's going? I think if you practice the JavaScript by typing, definitely you'll have some grip in JavaScript for web development. In this video, I'll be explaining the concept event target and how we can create our own events. Without wasting time, let's get some knowledge. So to understand the event target, I'll give an example. Imagine there is a football ground, okay? And there are players and there is a football outside this ground. If if the game should begin, this football has to be inside this ground, right? So if this football has to be inside this ground, we have to add this inside this ground. Then football, the game can begin. It is similar to the event target concept. Imagine this court, this football ground as event target. It's like an interface. It's like a where objects can interact with the events and it can store the handlers. Events means let's say it's a click event, mouse over. Like if I want to, let's say there is a button, okay? If I want to click on that, there is a click event. If I just over that, if I place the cursor over, that's a mouse over or mouse up, right? So these are called events. And there are some handlers, like if something occurs, if some events occurs, there has to be some actions has to be occur, right? That's a handlers. Okay. So imagine this is a ground is a event target and this football is a events or custom events. Okay. If we have to use these custom events, if we have to use these custom events inside this event target, then this custom events has to be inside this ground, right? So for that there is a method called dispatch event. Okay, dispatch event method, using which we can include our custom events within an event target. That's it. Example of events are click, mouse over, like that. Example for event target may be, the target may be document and its children's, okay? Documents and its children, or it may be a window, or it may be a elements. Okay, these are called event target. It's like a container which contains all the events, so that if we want to apply any event on the element, we can use that, we can fetch that, like by using some instance methods like add event listener, remove event listener, that we'll discuss later. So this is how the event target concept. Event target is like a container which contains all the events and handlers. It's an object interface. Okay. So let's see one example how we can create our own events.